I had septorhinoplasty 5 months back in India, and Dr. Monisha Kapoor did that surgery for me. That time, the major issue that I was facing was, the breathing and definitely the aesthetics of my nose, right? And for these two reasons, I consulted with Monisha Kapoor, and she advised me that I have to go for septorhinoplasty. And then the procedure was done, and I felt very good. The breathing issues were completely resolved, but after 2 months I started facing breathing issues again. So I was very panic that what happened. I just did my surgery because of the breathing issues, and again I'm started getting breathing issues again. So what I did, right, I rather than going random surgeons, I decided to first consult with Dr. Monisha, and I pinged her basically in the mobile number which they gave to me. I think Dr. Shireen and Dr. Ushin, and these guys supported me very well. So I live outside India, so I can't directly come to clinic, but their availability was fantastic. They were available all the time, and they answered all my questions very well. Then when these sort of sessions happened, I decided to come back India to consult with Dr. Monisha Kapoor again. And then when she did the analysis, she found that there is a graft that she put to support my septum has came out. Not sure the reason, might be because of the heavy breathing or something else, but eventually we identified that graft portion has been shifted, right? Then she suggested that I have to go for one more round of surgery, where she fixed the nasal deviated septum for me. And today the splint were removed, and I feel much better. I can breathe very freely, right? So that's what my journey. I could say, overall my experience is very nice. The support staff is very much available all the time for my queries, and everyone is excellent here. And one advice I would like to give to all, right, if you face any issues, right, because it depends patient to patient and many circumstances, right? So rather than going to random doctors, you may first consult to the same doctor, because they will give you much more better advice, right? So believe your instincts, right, and consult with the same doctor, I would say, which I did, and I could feel much better today. Yeah.